Today on our Dear Claire, we are addressing, can you own a home in a trust? And yes is the answer to that. There you go, we're done. Actually, there's a little bit more to it. The real question is, why do you want to own your home in a trust? If you've gone through an entire financial planning and estate planning process, you probably have talked to an attorney who set all this stuff up for you, and that attorney most likely will put your primary residence in the name of your trust if that's what they decided to do. So you should have way better advice than I have for you. But if you're just getting into this and trying to do like legal Zoom, I would definitely recommend you talk to an actual professional, because changing the ownership of your property is not a small thing, and you want to make sure you understand the pros and cons to doing that. A trust, in essence, can help you, well, not you, but help your heirs avoid taxes, theoretically speaking, but there are some details you really need to be aware of before you do it. So call a professional, or call me and I'll send you to a professional. I hope you have a great week. We'll see you next week on Dear Claire. Take care.